guys, it's me Miranda, and today we are going to be doing a last to stop holding the bar wins. So, and today we are going to be having a guest named Camila. You may come. I'm going to be blurring her face too. So, yeah.
That's my sexual.
Yeah. So, let's play. So, whenever I say 3, we're going to touch the bar and we cannot move. I'm actually going to get a 3-second not to touch the bar. Because, well, I gotta move the block. So, and 3. No, ready? Just step on it. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we can do any technique. Like, if we can't hold on very well, we can go to the edge of the bars, and we can get like do this, and
Or
then
can we use your brake to put the block?
So we can use the brick, except it's lava, so we can only touch it for like 10 seconds. So, you ready? Get on half of it, put one foot, but then be holding it at the same time. But get on top of it.
I can't because your butt.
Get on top of it. Now put one foot on outside. So like, put one foot on that side. Put one foot on the brick. And hold on to and get the bar. You ready? So, in 3, 2, 1, let go.
Like this. How can you do that?
I don't know.
Some monkey.
What are you doing? Trying to pull me over?
Yeah.
Push me over? That's only 10 seconds, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are we eliminated? I'm watching you so that way you don't touch the bar.
Oh my god.
Guys, we're going to restart this once we can get this handled. We probably need some chalk, so let's go get some.
What?
You'll see. So, we'll be right back. Just put your hand. So guys, we're back. And yeah. So, let's get ready.
Move over.
Move over. Three, 2, 1. Start. Hello. Yeah, but you can always start that for 10 seconds every time, so. 3, 2, 1, start.
Okay, I'm touching it.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Count
5,
slowly. My hand hurts.
7, 8, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, maybe we need to move it like in the middle or something. Like that. No, wait. Like that. Wait, we need like 2 bricks or something, but there's somebody.
I really want to play.
Cut up, guys. We're trying to
My
find
mom's not going to get mad because I actually filmed before.
And so I'm just and well, we're not gonna do it. Stop using that. Stop. So, that was like the hardest challenge of all. But I do want to show y'all one thing that I can do. If I don't fall
I
off.
want to go see my mom's back.
So guys, we will be back later for another video.